All right, Sam, speaking of the shoreline, Hartford HealthCare expanding its footprint in Connecticut into Fairfield County and now Mystic. Joining us to talk about that is Dr. Timothy Olson, a pain medicine specialist with Hartford HealthCare Medical Group. Doctor, welcome.
Hi, thanks for having me, Lisa.
Absolutely. So you specialize in pain management. Tell us about the need in the Mystic area for this type of treatment.
Well, there's really a need for these services everywhere. If you look at low back pain alone, the cost and lost quality of life with it is very substantial. It's one of the most common reasons that people visit their doctor. And when that pain becomes more chronic, it's usually not as simple as one medication or one injection. You need really a combination of options for different patients. And that's what we're able to offer here now. And providing all of these services in one place, I think, is a real advantage. It's really difficult when you're in chronic pain to have to travel 10 miles in one direction to see a therapist and then a few miles in another direction to see your doctor and then maybe up to Hartford to see a specialist. So the ability to consolidate that in one place is a real advantage.
That is so true. All right, what types of other types of services will be offered in Mystic that support pain management?
Well, in addition to the functions that we serve, so we can do evaluations for people in chronic pain here. We can do many of the injections that we normally do as well. Most of our patients benefit from some form of active rehabilitation or physical therapy, and there's a fantastic physical therapy facility right downstairs here. We're also able to offer and coordinate access to things like integrative medicine, so acupuncture, massage, mindfulness and meditation, any imaging that we need, CAT scan, CT, MRIs, they can be done here as well. We co-localize in this facility with neurologists who we frequently share patients with. There's a wonderful and strong neurology presence here for movement disorders, for headache, and once in a while, it's rare, but sometimes our patients actually need input from a surgeon, and we can provide that here as well. When you kind of put this all together, it's a level of access that sort of rivals a large city or an academic center, and it's here in Mystic in a standalone building that is without the confusion of going to a hospital or a larger location, which I think is very beneficial to the patient experience.
And last question, how receptive have people been in the Mystic area to see Hartford HealthCare come in and offer these services?
Well, I think very receptive. I think this building that we've just started in over the last year is beautiful. It's easy access. It provides a lot of services. Our reception has been fantastic, and we're able to, like I said, coordinate care in a way that we haven't been able to before. When you can walk by different doctors in the hallway and talk about these patients in a coordinated fashion, patients love that. They're so used to physicians not knowing what one hand is not knowing what the other hand is doing, that being able to work together towards patient care is very beneficial. And I think the reception here in Mystic and the shoreline in general has been fantastic.
All right, bringing it all together in Mystic. Dr. Timothy Olson, thank you so much for joining us. Beautiful building. Thank you.